Hey everyone, Nick, First Class Home Inspection, your trusted home inspection company in the Valley. Got an item on an older home I want to take a look at. So the garage door, this is a 1970 house, so the garage door is not the typical garage door, it's an older solid door unit. While the sensors work, it's what we call a tip back door. So these are obsolete. Don't make them anymore, and we need to make sure, because they've got these heavy duty springs on the sides that have a lot of tension on them, and so they need to have a safety chain and cable through them at most, and there's none of that present. So we're going to advise the buyers to recommend upgrading the door at some point in the future. That's just one of the many items we find at doing home inspections. We're here to protect your investment. For all your home inspection needs, First Class Home Inspection, 623-680-0707 or firstclasshomeinspection.com.